Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Jose Cabrera coming to you with this quick little video from my phone. Okay, the purpose of this video is to show you exactly how to register to lionsshare Tron with the Tronlink wallet on your iPhone. Okay, so really quickly, guys, we're gonna go over to the Tronlink wallet. Okay, once you're in the Tronlink wallet, you're going to focus down here at the bottom icons that you see on the left hand bottom corner. You see asset, then you see markets, then browser, and then at the very right bottom hand corner you see me. Okay, so again, this is for iPhone users only. Once you're in your Tronlink wallet, guys, you will go to the browser, which is the third one from the left to the right hand side. So the one with the four little dots, which says browser, you will click on it. Okay, now once you're in this browser, guys, okay, by this point you should already have Tron in your wallet funded, and obviously you have the wallet downloaded. Okay, so now your next step is for you to get your affiliate link from the person you're signing up under and bring in that affiliate link up here at this bar that you see where it says please enter the web address. So once you have the affiliate link from your affiliate, guys, like I said, you're going to copy it and you're going to paste it here. And let's just go into this one, for example, and it should take you to a page that looks just like this, guys. Okay, it's basically going to take you to the website of lionsshare. Okay, once you're in here, guys, you're going to come down and you're going to click on join now. Okay, once you click on join now, it's going to give you the option to choose your cryptocurrency. Now, lionsshare does have two programs, has an Ethereum and a Tron. For now, guys, we're dealing with Tron only, which is a TRX. So you would click on TRX, okay? And for these purposes, guys, it is updating the system. So as you see, it's bringing up this message right here. But for training purposes, guys, you would come in here, okay, and this page will actually be different. It's showing this because I am already a part of it. But once you come in here and you click join, it's going to give you the ID for your affiliate. Okay, just make sure it's the correct one. And once it is, you click on purchase and you are in. Okay, you might have to wait a few minutes, guys, for the blockchain to catch up. Once it says success and it gives you your affiliate link, then that means you are signed up. Okay, after that, you'll be able to access your back office and have full compatibility, guys, and full access to your back office, and you'll be able to do anything and everything you want. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful, guys, and I will catch you guys on my next video.